right, so talking with some of you today, we were working on different ways to multiply, and this is going to kind of help with your homework for October 23rd, which is lesson 7 in module 2 for Eureka Math Squared. So we were looking at different ways to multiply. And today you're going to get into tonight, you're going to start seeing this rectangle. All right, when we're multiplying, that should be less of this. It's a rectangle. It's not the straightest line. I know. Pretend it's a rectangle. All right, so let's have one of our multiplication problems. I don't know if you're going to see this tonight. I'm just throwing this problem out there. All right, let's say 7 times, 7 times 44. 7 times 44. So when we see this model, we have our 7 here, and we're going to start breaking this down. Like you're going to see in the book, and I even talk about in my other video, kind of breaking it down like this. All right, which, as I showed you in class, is if we break it down like this, right? We want to break this. We can break this down more if it makes it easier for you. Like this can be broken down more, right? 40 is what? Because right here, we're saying that 44, 40 plus 4 equals 44. And then we multiply the 7 times the 40 and the 7 times the 4, we get our answer. But we can make this easier for ourselves. So let's break it down again. Let's break 40 down. We could break 40 down to 20 and 20. We could do that and then just pull this 4 down. So 20 plus 4 still equals 44. But we can break it down again. Let's break that down again. Let's make it even easier for ourselves. Why not? Is it more work? It's more work. It is. But once you understand this, you can start remembering it in your head. You're not going to have to do this all the time. We can break this down again to 10, 10, 10, 10, 4, right? Because 10 plus 10 is 20, plus 10 plus 10 is 20. That gives us our 40, right? This is just breaking down. 40 broken down to 20 plus 20, broken down to 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. Plus that 4, because it's by itself, it just keeps falling down with us. It's going along with us. It's a follower. It's all right. Nothing wrong with that in this one. If we're looking at that up here, you can do it here too. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 40 into 4. So you can go 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3 now. One more 4. So 1, 2, 3. We have 4 spaces, right? So it would be 10, 10. This one would be a 10. I'll write it down there. Sorry. 10, 10. Same thing. These 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 40. Okay? So if we do this, now we're saying 7 times 10. If you want to make that easier, remember, 7 times 1 is 7, and put the 0 after it. Right? Do it again. We know it's 70 here. It's going to be 70 here. It's going to be 70 here. It's going to be 70 here. And then 7 times 4, if you want to, let's break the 4 down one time. Why not? Break that 4 down to 2 and 2. Okay, so we have a plus, we have a plus, we have a plus. So 7 times 2, because if we put the 7 times, 7 times, 7 times, 7 times, 7 times, 7 times. Okay, 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 2, 14. So now we got to add all these together. Right? Well, if 7 times 2 is 14, look, I have 1 7 there, 2 7s there. If I put those together, that's going to be 14, and that 0 just follows it. So if that's 14, 140, this is going to be 140. And then I have 4 plus 4, I know that gives me 8. And I have 1 plus 1, I know that gives me 2. So now we add all these together. If you want, put them on top of each other if that's easier for you, right? Get that number that way. That's fine. So now let's just put it out. So we'll take this one, bring it over here. 140, take that, bring it over here. I see if you're watching. Look, I'm making your rainbow. All right, if I bring that over, I have a 2 here and an 8 here. Okay, now we add that up. Sorry, I don't know what's in my throat today. 0 plus 8 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 and 2, 8, 9, 10. 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, 3. 308 is your answer. All right, do you see that? Because if we do that here, it's 70, 70, 70, 70. And then if we break that into 2, it's Sorry. Not the neatest writer. I really need to spend more time on that. 14 and 14. Okay. And then we're going to add it all up just like we did here. Or if you have it in your head and you want to do it, you could break it twice, right? 20 and 20, 7 and 20, 140, 7 and 20, 140. Just like we said right here, right? That broke down. So we know that if we break this right here, it would have been 7 times 20 and 7 times 20, right? We broke that down. We got 70 and 70. When we added together, we got this answer, right? I know it looks like a lot. It is. This way, which I love, it's starting to get real busy with a whole lot of stuff. So we got to start looking at ways to be a little quicker and break it down. Yes, this is a lot of work. It is. But don't be lazy. Do it the right way. Get it right. Because once this starts to make sense in your head, once you start doing it more and more and more, you're not going to have to go down here all the time. You're going to be able to stop with just this part. And then after that, you're going to be able to stop with just this part. And you won't need it. Then before long, you're going to see a problem that looks like this. And you're just going to go right in your head and say this, right? And say this. And then you're just going to add it together. Sorry, that's a 2. All right? Then you're going to get it. I promise. We're going to get there. All right? We are going to get there. All right, this is just an extra video, little extra homework help. Something we worked on, we're kind of starting to see in Module 2. Lesson 7, we're kind of getting there where it's around. We're starting to see this today, the area model today, where we're breaking this problem down. All right, so I hope this extra help helps out. Let me know. Give me a comment. Say something. Someone out there, let me know if this is helping you or not. A thumbs up, a like, I don't know. Share it with your friends. Something. Let me know this is helping. Let me know this works. All right. Have a good night.